In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run payroll QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know how to set up payroll, pay your team accurately, handle taxes, and pull the right reports to stay compliant and organized. Start by signing into your QuickBooks account and opening payroll from the left menu. If you're setting payroll up for the first time, click Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter your business details, including your EIN, address, and tax information. Enter exactly what appears on your official documents to prevent filing mismatches. Next, add your employees with their full legal name, current address, whether they're salaried or hourly, and the tax information from their W-4. If you can, set up direct deposit now. It's optional but highly recommended because it speeds up payday and reduces check handling errors. Before you move on, pause to double check all tax details. Catching an error now can save you rework and penalties later. Anytime you need to add a new team member, go to Payroll, then Employees, and select Add an Employee. Fill in the pay rate, choose the correct pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, or another cadence, and enter tax withholding details. If the employee will be paid by direct deposit, add their bank routing and account numbers carefully. Save your changes. Aligning each person with the right schedule keeps your payroll runs clean and predictable. When it's time to pay your team, open Payroll and choose Run Payroll. Select the pay schedule you want to process. For hourly employees, enter their approved hours. For salaried employees, QuickBooks will pre-fill their pay. Review every line: wages, overtime if applicable, taxes, and any deductions. Confirm the pay period, pay date, and funding method look correct. When everything checks out, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks will automatically calculate federal and state taxes, Social Security, and Medicare, and any other configured deductions, so you don't need to do the math by hand. To handle payroll taxes, go to Taxes and open Payroll Tax. Review the amounts due and the due dates. If you've enabled automatic payments and filings in your subscription, you can click Pay and let QuickBooks process it for you. If automation isn't enabled, use this screen to stay on top of what's due and when. Finally, for records and reconciliation, go to Reports. Search for and run Payroll Summary, Payroll Details, and the Tax Liability Report. Download or print what you need for your books, your accountant, or audits. Keeping these reports tidy each pay period makes quarter end and year end much easier. And that's it, your complete walkthrough to running payroll in QuickBooks with confidence.